How to calm your nervous system in 3 steps. Because when you're nervous, your system is loud. Your mind spirals. You're all over the place. Your body tightens. Your spirit feels heavy. And if you feel tired, but you can't relax, it's not tired, it's tired. Like you're just tired. You've had enough. And you can't relax, then this is definitely for you. Hey, I'm Tonya Camille, and you're at Tonya Talks, where we talk about the inner journey behind the outer success. And today's a reset. Today is about mind, body, and spirit. So let's go. Let's talk about it. So step 1 is you need to name what's activating you. What is the thing that's not making you calm? What's the thing that's got you all wound up? Because you gotta name it. And if you don't name it, then you can't calm it, right? So you can't calm what you keep ignoring. You can't calm something that you're unaware of. So you first got to name what it is. You got to ask yourself, what keeps setting my body off? Why am I feeling tense, nervous? Is it I have too many deadlines? Is it too many people needing you? Is it something like too much noise, too much pressure? But you have to name it, say it clearly, whatever it is. What is it that has you nervous, tight? Not calm. So you have to name it and then calm yourself about it. So you say it clearly. What is this that's activating me? And after you say that, now you say this. I'm not in danger. I'm in a moment. It's just a moment in time. I'm going to reset, want to calm. And then you stop for a minute. You say, I'm going to show my body that I want to be safe. And how you signal safety to your body is right now you start to inhale for 4. Right? You just inhale for 4 and exhale for 6. And you do that about 10 times. Because what that does is it puts you in the moment. It gives you a moment to exhale, to release, to feel calm. So do that about 10 times. Unclench your teeth, unlock your jaws, and take a moment. Drop your shoulders, unclench your hands. And then after you do the unclenching, you've done all that, put your hand on your heart. Put it on your chest and say, we're safe right now. I'm clear right now. I'm taking a moment. I got all these things. I'm clear about what's making me feel this way. I'm just taking a moment. See, slow is safe. Be very clear about slow is safe, being okay with where you are in that moment. You can move at your own pace. So that's about getting back into the present, getting back into your body, taking a moment to recognize that I realize what's activating me. I'm going to take a moment from that. I'm going to woosah. So that's step 2. Step 3 is protect yourself with 1 boundary. Better way of saying it, protect your peace with 1 boundary. Because if you keep going back into chaos, if you jump right, you've just done all these things, you jump right back in to the thing that you just named, then you aren't living in peace. You're not stopping the thing that is breaking your peace because you went right back to the chaos. So therefore, your nervous system never learns. It's always on fight or flight. So I said, you just pick 1 boundary for 7 days, something for 7 days. For example, no phone for the first 30 minutes of your day. No phone, no scrolling, no anything. 30 minutes, just you, all about you, focusing on you, what you're feeling, how you're feeling, being present. Another good one is no work talk after 8 p.m. I got one for you. No explaining your no. No explaining your no. It's just no. No rescuing everybody. So just take one boundary over the next 7 days and just do it. Like 30 minutes, no phone, no anything. I'm not going to talk about work or all the things that give me anxiety and stress me out after 8 p.m., right? I'm just going to take a moment and be present and do what I want. Feel safe with me. Be in my own space. 7 days. Just take 7 days. You don't need a perfect life to feel better. You need a regulated nervous system and a clear identity. Now, if you want this guided step by step, I built something for you. It's called the Back to Being Me app. Back to Being Me app. Back to being you. Getting back to you. Inside, you can do the reset, follow the steps, and get support. So you don't have to self-heal in the dark. So download the Back to Being Me app today. The link is in the show notes. Somewhere around here is in the show notes. So check it out, and it's free. And comment calm. Comment calm if you're choosing peace this week. If you're choosing to protect your peace this week, comment calm. And share this with a friend who needs a nervous system reset. Thanks for listening, and I'm Tonya Camille. I'll see you next week.